Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to generate a QR code with Bestappme app. Go to app pages in the app design section. Select information menu and click on QR code to integrate the feature into the app. In the QR code area, you can change the page name and image of the icon as per your needs. You also need to fill in a few details like your first name and last name, organization name, email ID, title, mobile number, official phone number, fax number, address and website URL to generate the QR code. Hit preview to check the functionality of the QR code feature. And that's for now. Click and save and finish. Thanks for watching.